In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix wallet or Apple Pay double click not working. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Apple Wallet and Pay. Click on that. Here you will find the option of double click side button. Make sure it is enabled. Next up, restart a phone. Then try the shortcut again. Next up, check Apple Pay setup. Make sure you have added at least one payment card to the wallet app. If no cards are set up, the shortcut may not work as expected. Next, head back. Go to General. Go to the option Software Update. Install any available iOS updates. Then head back. Scroll down and go to the option Screen Time. Click on the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure Wallet and Apple Pay are not restricted. Navigate to the option Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure you have toggle on for the option Wallet. Now test the side button. If the side button does not respond for other functions, it may be a hardware issue. Lastly, head back to the main page of settings. Go to General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings and complete the process. With this solution, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.